everyone. Say we are on episode 5, which is Jupiter, because, well, it'll be said later in this episode, but, yeah. So let's get into planet Jupiter. Now, you know that it always starts off with this chart. You should know the drill by now, because I Google it and I can find one for every single planet. So why wouldn't I keep searching them? Jupiter is the 5th planet from the Sun. There's no research that needs to be done for that. The Sun is a star, not a planet. It's the only star in our solar system. Then we have Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, and Jupiter. So you just need to count like Mercury planet 1, Venus is planet 2, then Earth, which is planet 3, Mars is planet 4, and then our 5th planet in the solar system is Jupiter. So it just involves counting. Jupiter is assumed to be the oldest planet in our solar system, which means it was the first planet in our solar system. If you hear the oldest planet, that means it was the first planet created. Now, it is assumed. That means that they're estimating that, not saying Jupiter is the oldest planet in our solar system, they're saying that that Jupiter is assumed, which means like a guess, an estimate. Jupiter is also known as the solar system's vacuum cleaner. That's because of its immense gravity and location near the inner part of our solar system. So, I'm about to get into the gravity, but we're going to go into the location first. So, location, that where Jupiter is in our solar system is the 5th planet. That is known as the inner part of our solar system. That is just the part of our solar system that's known as the inner parts. Some planets have more gravity based on like where they are. So the inner part, that's just where it is. Alright, so I'm going to get into the gravity. Say, immense gravity means Jupiter has a very large mass. And the large mass has a gravitational pull, and that gravitational pull attracts plenty of smaller objects, like some asteroids and maybe some comets. Jupiter is covered with clouds consisting amino crystals and most likely a substance called ammonium hydrosulfide. Alright, so people. So let me go over what that means. So what's ammonia crystals? That's like the solid forms of ammonia. Now we're into ammonium hydrosulfide. So that means one substance, a substance. That substance is believed to be present, like with the ammonia crystals. So the planet doesn't have a cloud layer that is solid, made of water, like Earth does. But these clouds are also made of different icy chemicals. So some chemicals are icy, right? You know all your chemicals. In comparison to Earth, Jupiter's magnetic field is 14 times stronger. Okay, people, say, let me go over what that means. So, what is the magnetic field? Well, magnetic field strength. So, Jupiter's magnetic field strength is 14 times stronger in comparison to Earth's. And, here's going to be actually deeper. But it's just repeating the statement. Say, Jupiter is covered with lots and lots and lots of clouds, which have a lot of ammonia crystals in them. Now we are on this screen, people. So Jupiter is the biggest planet in our solar system. If you compare Jupiter to all of the other planets, It is the biggest planet. Did you know that Jupiter is named as the gas giant because it has a bunch of gas inside of it? Alright, people, say, let me go over the one, well, I didn't just read it. 11.2, the radius of Earth. So Jupiter's size, this has something with Jupiter's size. Yes, Jupiter is a lot bigger than us because it is known as the gas giant. Imagine lining up plenty of Earths, and they will be side by side. It would take 11.2 Earths to match Jupiter's diameter. And here's the volume. Jupiter is a very large planet, but it is so large that if you put all the other planets in the solar system inside of Jupiter, they would fit very well. All right, say mostly hydrogen and helium. Now, what does that mean? Planet Jupiter's composition, and it's mostly its atmosphere, is made up of plenty of elements of helium and hydrogen. And that is the reasoning of why Jupiter is a gas planet. Has over 63 moons. That is actually a true fact. You want me to tell you the exact number? 79 moons are located on just this one large planet, Jupiter. Did you know that Jupiter has a ring? Yes, it does. And that ring is a collection of a space rock. So what does that mean? It means that Jupiter's ring. Jupiter has a ring? I never knew that Jupiter has a ring. So Jupiter has a ring made of space rock. I googled this, by the way. Say, has a ring, collection of space rock means that it's similar to Saturn. Jupiter has a ring around it. The ring is not solid, but it definitely has numerous of small pieces of a space rock. Alrighty, people, so that is all for this episode. The next one will be out tomorrow. Bye, people.